And a virus state of emergency in Tokyo and other parts of Japan will be extended less than 3 months before the Olympics. Here's Dennis Liu for the report.
Good evening, Alma and CJ. A virus state of emergency in Tokyo and other parts of Japan was extended on Friday, less than 3 months before the Olympics, with restrictions also imposed in more regions as cases surge. The emergency measures had been due to end on May 11th, but will now continue until the end of the month, according to Prime Minister Suga Yoshihide. Suga said the number of new virus cases is at a high level in major cities, while hospitals continue to be overwhelmed in Osaka and Hyogo prefectures. Osaka Governor Hirofumi Yoshimura has warned the Western region's medical system is reaching breaking point, with reports of COVID-19 patients dying while waiting for an ambulance. Fukuoka and Aichi were added to the 4 regions that have been under emergency measures for a fortnight: Osaka, Hyogo, Kyoto, and the capital Tokyo, where the Olympics are due to open on July 23rd. The state of emergency restricts commercial activity, with bars and restaurants told to shut or stop serving alcohol, and cinemas and karaoke parlors closed. But some rules will soon be eased despite the extension, such as allowing a limited number of fans back into sports stadiums. Japan's COVID-19 outbreak remains much smaller than in many countries, with just over 10,500 deaths. But its vaccine rollout is moving slowly, and some areas have seen record cases as more infectious variants drive fresh waves of contagion. More than 10,000 athletes from 200 countries and regions are due to take part in the pandemic-postponed 2020 Olympics. Games President Seiko Hashimoto said Friday the organizing committee would welcome a visit by IOC President Thomas Bach this month, but that it would be very difficult to arrange given the prolonged state of emergency. Japan's government and Games organizers insist the event will go ahead safely. Although polls show most Japanese people support cancellation or another delay. More than 210,000 people have signed an online petition titled "Cancel the Tokyo Olympics to Protect Our Lives," launched Wednesday by a lawyer and former Tokyo gubernatorial candidate. The pandemic has disrupted Olympic test events, with several postponed, canceled, or moved abroad. Olympics organizers are yet to decide how many fans, if any, will be allowed at the Games, with overseas spectators already barred from attending. This is the latest for now. Reporting from Tokyo, Japan, this is Dennis Liu. We live in interesting times.